Now you see, I will be going to create the last table, which is fact internet sales, and this is the structure of the fact internet sales. Here I copy this full table structure, and I write this statement that create me a table fact internet sales using the T-SQL create command. Also create foreign key constraints, because here if you notice, there is a foreign key constraint on dim product, there is a foreign key constraint on dim promotion, and there is a foreign key constraint on dim sales territory. It means this is a foreign key, this product key is a foreign key, and promotion key is also foreign key. So you see, I paste that table structure also here. So now you see, I copy this whole information, and you see, I go to ChatGPT and paste the whole information and send the message. So you see, it has created me a table. I don't want primary key, so here I can say remove primary key constraint. I don't need it, I just need foreign keys. So it is providing me updated script now. I copy this code, paste the code, and in sales DWH I execute the command. So my command is created. Now you see, I will be going to load this data in the fact internet sales table. So first I will be going to script this table to get the structure of the table. You see, I copy the whole script. This table has three foreign keys for dim product, dim promotion, and dim sales territory. So I copy the whole coding, and you see, here I will be going to paste the complete structure of the table. Okay, and you see, what I have written is, I want to load the data from a file which is factinternetsales.csv file, and it has the sample data. If you see, this is my CSV file, and if I click on edit, this file has 60,000 records, so it's a very big file. It has more than 60,000 records, so it is not possible to create the insert command on ChatGPT. So what I am doing, I'm just taking few records, let's say 5 to 10 records I copy, which is used as a sample data, and that sample data I just use it here, and this information I will be going to pass to ChatGPT that this particular file has this kind of sample data, and these are the columns of that file, and I also mention the path of the file. To know the path of the file, what I will be going to do, I will select this, I will press shift right click, and you see I will get the option copy as path. I copy this path, and you see I will be going to paste this path. So now my question is ready. This is the sample data along with the structure. The location of the file is this, and I want to load the data in this particular table which is present in sales DWH, and the structure of the table is this along with the foreign key. So all this information I have mentioned. Now I will put this information into ChatGPT. So I press Ctrl A and Ctrl C. I copy the whole information and paste it in ChatGPT, and all the information is pasted. So I just send this message. So actually it has given me a Python coding, but I want the SQL coding. I want T-SQL command, not Python. So I just send this command again. So it is now showing me bulk insert command. So you can use the bulk insert command, and using that you can perform this operation. So I copy this, and you see I just go there and do a new query, and I paste this particular command. So what this is saying is, that insert the data in this particular table using this particular location. So this is the path of the source file and this is the destination table, fine. And there is some extra information like the CSV field terminator is comma and the row terminator is new line and the first row starts from 2. So what does that mean? So if I open my file again in the notepad, so you see every field is separated by comma. Let's say product key which is 447, it is separated by comma. Then order date key which is this, it is separated by comma. Then due date key which is this, it is separated by comma. So it is a comma separated data. So that is why you get field terminator as comma. Then row terminator is new line, slash n is new line. So you know when this particular line is finished, then new line is started. For the second row, new line is started. For the third record, new line is started. So new line is represented by slash n, that is why you get this. And the first row is 2. It means that my first row is starting from this second position. So that is why it is written start from 2. And you can log the full table during this bulk insert operation. You just lock the full table, nobody else will be able to access that table. So I just execute this command. So you see 60,398 rows are affected, so that much data is loaded into the table. So if I now select the data and check this data by writing the select command, I highlight it and execute it. So here we go. So I got 60,000 records and the data is successfully loaded into this particular table. And I don't have any kind of foreign key error as well. So I have shown you different ways to insert the data using ChatGPT.